Modern anti-tank missiles provide armed forces with the capability to stop a heavily armored tank in its tracks. Many of you may wonder which is the deadliest or most powerful anti-tank missile, so in this video today we'll present you some of the best anti-tank guided missiles that are currently available. The key factors for this list includes range, penetration depth, guidance systems, speed, and other specifications are also taken into consideration. So without further delay, here's our top 10. At number 10 is the Laser Homing Attack Missile. Laser Homing Attack Missile is a lightweight anti-tank guided missile developed and manufactured by the MBT division of Israel Aerospace Industries. It was initially developed for Merkava tanks and can be fired from vehicles, helicopters, vessels, and remote installations. The missile uses a tandem warhead which is capable for defeating all types of modern armor, including add-on reactive armor, and it can go up to a speed of 285 to 300 meters per second. Laser Homing Attack Missile has a semi-active laser guidance system using direct and indirect laser designation. It is effective against ships, ground targets, and helicopters within the range of 6 kilometers. The missile has a length of 0.975 meters and it strikes the target with an accuracy of 0.7 meters, and it provides effective penetration of up to 800 millimeters of RHA armor steel with its tandem warhead to deal with add-on reactive armor. At number 9 is the Kornet EM. It is a modern Russian man-portable anti-tank guided missile intended for use against main battle tanks. The Kornet EM uses an automatic target tracker which essentially turns it into a fire-and-forget missile. The fire-and-forget capability allows a vehicle equipped with twin launchers to attack 2 different targets at once. Increasing its rate of fire decreases the number of vehicles needed for a mission. It can also defeat vehicles with an active protection system through salvo fire at one target. The missile can go up to a maximum speed of 300 meters per second and is guided with SACLOS laser beam riding. The automatic laser beam guidance ensures the Kornet EM to effectively destroy targets at a range of 1 kilometer. The missile has a length of 1.210 meters and it strikes the target with an accuracy of less than 5 meters. This anti-tank missile provides effective penetration of up to 1,100 to 1,300 millimeters of RHA armor steel behind ERA. Number 8 on the list for the top 10 best man-portable anti-tank guided missile is Missile Moyen Portée. The MMP is a French man-portable anti-tank guided missile developed by MBDA Missile Systems, which is intended as a replacement for the Milan that has been sold worldwide. The MMP is a lightweight man-portable missile that can be installed on tracked and wheeled vehicles. It offers enhanced preciseness and considerable automation in striking targets and is capable of destroying both stationary and moving targets with minimum collateral damage. Guidance systems include infrared homing and television guidance, and the missile has a range of 4 kilometers based on a French requirement, but in May 2018, 2 test firings were able to hit targets at 5 kilometers. The MMP has a length of 1,300 meters and is installed with a multi-purpose tandem warhead which can penetrate 1,000 millimeters of rolled homogeneous armor and 2,000 millimeters of concrete. At number 7 is the PARS-3LR. PARS-3LR, also known as Trigood LR, is a 3rd-generation fire-and-forget missile which can be used against air or ground targets. Development of Trigood commenced under a European program involving France, Germany, and the United Kingdom. The PARS-3LR is the primary weapon of the Tiger attack helicopters operated by the German Army. It is intended for long-range applications and designed to defeat tanks, helicopters, and other individual targets while minimizing the exposure of the launch vehicle to enemy fire. The maximum speed of this missile is 555 meters per second, and its guidance systems includes passive infrared and television charge-coupled device sensors. Its effective range is 6 to 7 kilometers. With a length of 1.6 meters and a weight of 9 kilograms, this warhead is a tandem high-explosive anti-tank 1,000 millimeters RHA penetration after ERA from TDW. At number 6 is UMTAS. UMTAS is a long-range air-to-surface anti-tank missile developed by Turkish armor and missile manufacturer Roketsan. Primarily designed for launch by T-129 attack and AH-1W Cobra attack helicopters, the missile can also be integrated into unmanned aircraft, light armored vehicles, land-based fixed installations, close air support aircraft, and naval platforms. Although its exact origins are unknown, on paper it qualifies as a fourth-generation ATGM endowed with range, precision, and lethality. Guidance systems used is imaging infrared seeker or laser guidance. The UMTAS missiles features fire and forget and fire and update infrared guidance with a tandem anti-armor warhead. It is capable of engaging targets at 8 kilometers, missile length is 1.68 meters, and armor penetration is approximately 1000 millimeter rolled homogeneous armor after explosive reactor armor. At number 5 is the BGM-71TOW. The BGM-71TOW is a tube-launched, optically tracked, wire-guided American anti-tank missile. The weapon system is used in anti-armor, anti-bunker, anti-fortification, and anti-amphibious landing roles. It is used by more than 40 international military forces and installed on more than 15,000 ground-based and helicopter platforms. The system is widely deployed by the U.S. Armed Forces and platforms such as Stryker, Bradley, and HMMWV armored vehicles. The weapons operator uses a telescopic sight to view a point on the target and then fires the missile. The missile has a two-stage ATK or Alien Tech Systems solid propellant rocket motor which has a speed of 360 meters per second. Guidance systems is optically tracked wire-guided and the effective range of the missile is 3.75 kilometers. With a length of 1.2 meters, this missile has a penetration depth of up to 900 millimeters RHA. At number 4 is HJ-12. HJ-12 or Red Arrow 12 is a third-generation man-portable fire-and-forget infrared homing anti-tank missile developed by China North Industries Corporation. The HJ-12 is a fire-and-forget system utilizing lock-on before launch and is capable of being fired within buildings and bunkers due to its soft-launch system. The HJ-12 is China's first portable anti-tank missile, increasing the ability of the People's Liberation Army ground force to have more modern and mobile infantry forces. Guidance system is infrared homing charge-coupled device and it provides a maximum range of 4,000 meters, while the IR variant offers a maximum range of 2,000 meters. With an approximate length of 1 meter, the warhead uses a tandem-shaped charge design with an estimated penetration capability of up to 1,100 millimeters of rolled homogeneous armor or RHA after penetrating explosive reactor armor. And now at number 3 is Javelin. Javelin is an American man-portable fire-and-forget anti-tank missile fielded to replace the M47 Dragon anti-tank missile in U.S. service. It was developed by Javelin, a joint venture between Raytheon and Lockheed Martin, and is currently in service with the U.S. forces and has been combat tested in Iraq and Afghanistan. Javelin is a fire-and-forget missile with lock-on before launch and automatic self-guidance. It is one of the most advanced man-portable anti-tank guided missile system in the world. It can destroy any current main battle tank and it also can target low-flying helicopters. The Javelin employs a long-wave infrared seeker infrared homing for guidance to destroy tanks, bunkers, buildings, small vessels, and low-speed helicopters with a high hit probability. The range of the missile is 2.5 kilometers, and this 15-kilogram warhead with a length of 1.08 meters is a tandem-shaped charge which has an armor penetration of 800 millimeters of rolled homogeneous armor. At number 2 is Spike. Spike is an Israeli fire-and-forget anti-tank guided missile and anti-personnel missile with a tandem charge HEAT warhead currently in its 4th generation. It includes 3 versions, namely Spike MR medium range, LR long range, and ER extended range. It is available in man-portable, vehicle-launched, and helicopter-launched variants. The missile uses a tandem warhead consisting of 2 shaped charges, a precursor warhead to detonate any explosive reactor armor, and the primary warhead to penetrate the underlying armor. The Spike is guided by electro-optical CCD imaging infrared. The maximum effective range for Spike MR is 2.5 kilometers, Spike LR is 4 kilometers, and Spike ER is 8 kilometers. The length of this missile is 1.2 meters, and with its tandem HEAT warhead, it offers 30% increased armor penetration. So it is estimated that the Spike LR2 can penetrate more than 900 millimeters of steel armor behind explosive reactor armor. At number 1 spot is the AGM-114R Hellfire II. The AGM-114 Hellfire is an air-to-surface missile first developed for anti-armor use, but later models were developed for precision drone strikes against other target types and have been used in a number of targeted killings of high-profile individuals. The AGM-114R can be launched from several different kinds of fixed-wing aircraft and helicopters, surface ships, and military ground vehicles. The 49.4 kilogram missile is equipped with semi-active laser seeker and employs lock-on before launch or lock-on after launch to defeat a variety of targets. Its maximum speed is Mach 1.3 and it is guided with semi-active laser homing millimeter wave radar seeker. Maximum effective range of this missile is 11 kilometers with a length of 1.6 meters. This high explosive anti-tank shaped charged tandem has a penetration depth of up to 800 millimeters RHA behind explosive reactor armor. And with that, we've come to the end of our video. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for viewing in. We'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.